For the floodlight, it looks the same on the surface, but actually they're different. As we can see, for this version, we have 2 magnets, but this one, it only have 1 magnet. And for the safety of the light, we add 2 joint parts on this type. When disassemble this light, the advantages of our light will be clearer. For example, there are 2 diffusers, and this one is transparently softer. And inside the light, here we have the reflective paper. This one, it doesn't have reflective paper. And for the chips, this one we use Ornan chips, but this one is normal chips. So that's why I think our lights is of better quality, and we can assure you of the efficient surface.